Activating your child's spine and sitting. Say that 10 times fast. It's Friday. I come home tomorrow. When a baby is slouched like this, right? Even though it's independent sitting, they're not setting up for the other milestones, right? So hanging technique. Now, I have to hold my baby's head because my baby flops, but I use a technique called hanging technique. And this is in your sitting course. You're here like the clarinet hands, but you're going to bring your baby up just a little bit. Not that they're not sitting, right? But this is what you're doing. But that's why the rolling over complications are still showing up in the milestones, is because you're not getting that chest across midline. And that's what you really need to work on. Not grabbing the baby, but working on that chest crossing midline. So sitting like this, right? That's where my arms are here and my stature. But when you're going to be saying, why is my baby getting into all fours? Where, right? Sitting is here, it's up, right? And from that, I can go into all fours. Can't do it here, right? So the midline crossing in the chest is what you're going after. That's why rolling over is still not happening, and now it's showing up in the sitting. So yes, anybody's going to say you have independent sitting because you can prop her up and leave her alone, but that's not optimal. And that's where, again, these little misses in the other milestones are showing up in the later milestones. Cuteness factor overload. Merry Christmas early, but it's nice to get out the lights. I've been sitting here in Disney, and I'm getting into the ho 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 too early because everything's about Christmas now. But that's what you need to work on. It's in the independent sitting course, and you want to start showing her how to bring her up, because now, see, midline goes this way, but now it's going to start going this way, right? And that's you're looking up and coming down. That's getting into standing, coming. All of this comes into those midlines that happen around the chest area, and that's why it's really important that you work in that area. Still work on the rolling over, but that's what's hanging her up with these milestones. Thanks.